CCROV is a high-quality ROV to help people to explore the yet unknown underwater world. It contains several attractive features compared with similar products on the market. With dimensions of just 20 x 20 x 16 centimeters, it is the smallest ROV to date all over the world. With 6 thrusters and 5 degrees of motion, CCROV is the best solution for narrow underwater spaces. The flotation material used to construct the vehicle is of military grade, which keeps the quality and stability to a maximum. With the built-in camera, CCROV offers 4K video resolution and 720p real-time image transmission through our integrated mobile application. The metal control cabin is graded at the IP68 waterproof level, which ensures the 100-meter diving capability. Connect the Wi-Fi and turn on the app before operate CCROV. And check the cable connection before put the vehicle into water. Until now, there are about 40 distributors in global market and the feedback is pretty good. CCROV is helping people to improve work efficiency in kinds of applications. CCROV can replace a professional diver to perform inspections of underwater facilities, such as boats, dams, and port channels. Observe the underwater situation in advance, creating a safer and more efficient process of inspection. Perform routine inspections directly, reducing dive time and making the inspection more efficient at a much lower cost. CCROV, with its built-in 4K camera, can take full HD pictures and videos of marine creature, enabling more thorough marine research. CCROV is easy to carry and operate. The operator can easily take the device anywhere for underwater exploration, such as underwater caves, treasure hunting, shipwrecks, etc. CCROV can be utilized for routine inspection of hydropower station, such as cracks in the wall and corrosion, especially useful in narrow spaces with steel structure. CCROV could ensure safety of diver during underwater missions. The resulting videos can be used as proof of the work and for future training. As the marine strategy becomes more and more important all over the world, CCROV will become the indispensable tool and partner for people to explore the unknown underwater world and exploit the marine resources.